Hi, I'm Rossi and I'm the Production Supervisor for the Mill and Compounds at USG Boral. Please take the time to reinforce the importance of exclusion zones around heavy vehicles, light vehicles and trailers when loading or unloading with a forklift. It's important to inspect the truck on both sides before unloading and to change the unloading method to suit the conditions of the load if required. As a forklift operator, always know the location of the driver and the off-sider. If you have lost sight of them and they are in the loading area, stop, confirm their location and then continue only if it is safe to do so. Thank you.